All right, so to this is how to connect my Ledger wallet to my phone. You can also connect it to the PC, but this time to my phone, and start using it and start onboarding the coins that I want to onboard. First off, go to your app store. This is Ledger, so go to your app store. Where's my app store? My app store here, and search for the Ledger app. And get it. So it's downloading. Let's wait for it to finish downloading, and then we connect it to this. So let me put this down whilst it's downloading and take this and on it. So you have to on this. You understand? So this is it when it's on. Now I need to bring my phone back. Now this is my phone. I open the app, but mind you, there's a cable here that you can connect this cable. You can connect this cable to the device that you want to connect the ledger with, or the code wallet with. So this is a cable. I think it's type C. So you connect it from your phone to the device, and you can also use this cable. You can also use this cable to charge it. So don't forget about it. Don't forget about that. So let me put that one aside. That's not part of the operation for now. So let's come back to the phone. It says what? Get started. So click on get started. We got to accept all. Notifications, I wouldn't allow notification. I don't want any disturbance, right? So this is it. Now I have to connect this and the phone. Okay, I have to connect the two. So I have to tap to continue. Your crypto and other digital assets are stored on the blockchain. So it's telling you that the device stores your assets. Your assets are definitely on the blockchain. It doesn't. The device is telling you that it doesn't take them off the blockchain. All right. Click on continue. To own and manage these assets, you need the private keys linked to them. Ledger Flex generates and protects your private keys. Okay. Use Ledger Flex to securely review and sign transactions. To buy, send, swap, stake, and any crypto, and to manage your Ledger Flex, use the Ledger Live app. So the Ledger Live app is this right here that we got, right? So continue. So it's asking me. So this is communication. It has to be communication between the device, the Ledger device, and then the phone. So you have to synchronize the informations between the two before you can be successful with this. It says was set up Ledger Flex with Ledger Live Mobile or Ledger Live Desktop. I'm using a mobile, so I click on the mobile. It's simple. Scan to open the Ledger Live app and connect to Ledger Flex. This is my Ledger Flex. So I'm gonna hit connect. Set up Ledger. So my when you look on the phone, it's asking you which kind of ledger are you having. This one is Ledger Flex, right? Yours could be Ledger Nano X. I don't know which device you have, but mine is Ledger Flex. So over on the phone you click on the Ledger Flex. Then you click on allow YouTube. I said YouTube. Sorry about that. Allow Bluetooth. Okay, so now it's trying to connect the two devices. So your phone Bluetooth has to be on. So it's gonna be pairing them. So pair, yes, it matches. So you see that both is paired. You see that it's paired. So we have to check whether the Ledger cold wallet that I have in my hands is legitimate or not. So you click on check Ledger, flex, allow. So there is an update here. We need to update. So I think this will take some few minutes. So we are still updating. We are still updating. We are still updating. Okay. So I have to install on the device. See, everything is communicating. Everything is communicating. Both devices are communicating with each other. So we are done here with the update. There is more update available, but I'm going to ignore. Skip update. So you have to put in your name. So I have to put my name. What's my name? So that's my name. So I'm about to choose my pin. But would have to. I already want you to see my pin, so I'll cover the camera and do my pin. Oh, like. So I'm done setting it up. That is, I'm done with the secret recovery phrase. So it is 24 random words. It's 24 random words. So what you do is you write it down whilst you are, looking at them. You understand me? And then they'll ask you to confirm them and make sure you confirm them correctly. Now we are done here. I tap continue. 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 So now we are coming to the phone. Continue. So I told you everything is communication. So you say I should allow, so you have to allow. So it's installing the app. You could see both devices are communicating successfully. So it's installing. Installation is almost 100% done. So you see, we have a new interface here. And when you look at both, open app, Ledger sync. So let me click open. I'm connecting both. So I've synced both devices. I'll click on close here. See, everything is now successful. Everything is now successful. Click on maybe later. Continue. So you see that on the device it says add app here. So the app that is referring to is the likes of how do you call it, XLM, Bitcoin, whatsoever. It refers to them as app. You understand? So that is it. How to make money is not a problem. Your strategy is. There is a way to make money, grow money, and protect money, which is why you need to master the art of forex, crypto, stocks trading like a pro. I have mastered this craft. See the list of my results on the screen. That is why Prophet Telvin Sowa said Trader Nixon is the go-to guy.
They should follow Trader Nixon.
Shatawale, the SM boss, want to work with Trader Nixon. Visit www.tradernixon.com and back that blueprint of mentorship that is going to change your life forever. I'll see you there.